This is Little One's playlist launch control. We've passed T-minus 60 seconds and counting. This is Edmond, and it's been a smooth countdown.
And this is Angelo. We are about to launch our journey through time and space and the universe created by God.
Let's get started, little ones and playmates. All systems are go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off!
In the beginning, a long, long time ago, there was nothing but darkness. Then, God decided to create the heavens and the earth. At first, the earth was just a big empty space with water everywhere.
On the first day, God said, "Let there be light." And suddenly, there was light. God called the light day and the darkness night.
The next day, God made the sky to separate the waters above from the waters below. On the third day, God gathered the waters together to make seas and let dry land appear. He also made plants and trees to grow on the land.
On the fourth day, God created the sun to shine during the day and the moon and stars to light up in the night.
On the fifth day, God made the seas with fish and the sky with birds.
On the sixth day, God made all kinds of animals to live on the land. Finally, He created humans to take care of the earth and all its creatures.
And on the seventh day, God looked at everything He had made and saw it was very good. So He rested.
Hello, little explorers! Have you tried looking up in the night sky to see the beautiful stars? Have you ever wondered how stars are formed? Did you know that stars are born from giant clouds of gas and dust floating in space? These clouds are called nebulae. Just like how when you drop something, it falls to the ground. Then gravity pulls the gas and dust in the nebula together. As the gas and dust come together, they start to squish tighter and tighter until the middle gets super hot. When the temperature reaches 10 million degrees Celsius, a new star starts to form. And just like stars, let us appreciate God's amazing creations. Stay exploring and always have that light bulb moment.
Little ones, are you ready for some fun trivia? We will ask you questions and try to answer them. Let's start!
What is the biggest planet in the solar system? The answer is Jupiter. Imagine if Earth was a basketball, then Jupiter would be like a giant beach ball that would be more than 11 times bigger. From what direction do we see the sun rise? The answer is east. For us on Earth, the sun rises in the east and then sets in the west. However, the sun does not really move at all. It is the Earth that is rotating that makes the sun appear to be in a different place in the sky.
Who was the first person to walk on the moon? The answer is Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong was not alone. When he went to the moon, but he was the first person who set foot on it. Edwin Buzz Aldrin was the second.
How many planets in our solar system are made mostly of gas? The answer is 4. They are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These planets, also called the gas giants. They are mostly made out of gases like helium and hydrogen around their small rocky cores. I hope you learned a lot from our trivia game today. See you again next time!
It's another good day for exploring. Join me as I explore this immersive digital art museum here on Little Ones Playlist. Little ones, kala nyo underwater ako, no? Pero light projection lang yan. Ang galing ng science, no? Little ones, try naman natin tong mirror maze. Tignan natin kung gaano ako katagal bago ako makalabas. Little ones, 1 minute. Can you beat my record? Little ones, I'm underwater. I can hold my breath as long as I can. We're falling! Help us! Little ones, I'm floating! Little ones, is it just me or this room is tilted? Wow! Little ones, medyo nahihilo ako sa light. Kaya ingat po kayo pagka pupunta po kayo dito. Help me! I wonder what kind of room am I gonna discover next? In 3 months, you could write a book, pass your driving test, or learn basic guitar. It's also the amount of time it takes Mercury to travel around the sun.
It's the shortest orbit in the solar system because Mercury is the closest planet to the sun.
If you're traveling to Mars anytime soon, be sure to bring your big coat. Don't get fooled by its color.
Although it is known as the red planet, its average temperature is roughly negative 60 degrees Celsius, the same as the South Pole. Contrary to Mars, Venus is like a giant oven in space. Even though it's not the closest planet to the sun, it's the hottest.
If you tried to bake cookies on Venus, they would burn up instantly because it's hotter than an oven to its highest setting.
Saturn is home to the solar system's most epic ice ring. Being so far from the sun, the water in its rings is frozen into ice.
It is one of the 4 planets that have rings around them. The other gas planets do too. Each planet has its own story and special characteristics, all part of God's grand design.
What is the beginning of eternity, the end of time and space, and the beginning of every end, and the end of every place?
What is it?
It's the letter E!
Ah! What am I? I'm bright, but I'm not clever. I burn up, but I'm not a bonfire. I sound like I'm a celebrity, but I'm not famous. I twinkle, but I'm not an eye. I can be seen at night, but I'm not the moon.
What is it?
A star.
Ah!
I'm bigger than Venus, but smaller than Uranus. I'm a living rock. What am I?
What?
It's the planet Earth.
Ah!
Hi little ones, I'm Teacher Min and it's time for another fun activity in Activity Nyo. So today we are talking about a lot of those amazing and amusing heavenly bodies, things that we see in the sky like stars, the moon, the sun, maybe some comets and planets as well. And do you know why all of these things exist? Of course, they are created by our Almighty God. So today we're going to do an art activity that will help us remember the days of creation. So these are the things that we need. We need paper, pencil, some crayons, and of course, we need our glue and our yarn. Yes. So for us to start our days of creation craft, we will first draw the things that God created. So i-drawing natin, iguguhit natin kung ano yung mga ginawa ng ating Panginoong Diyos. So unahin natin, halimbawa yung isang day ay merong mga lights of the sky. Alright, so we will make a circle like this. And then inside the circle, you will draw there what God created. So for instance, let's say the moon. So we will draw everything and then we will cut out our circle and it will look like this. Yan. There. For day 1, day 2, day 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And of course, to make our artwork even nicer, we will color them. Okay, let's start with day 1. Okay, syempre, day 1, God created light. Okay, little ones, when you color, make sure that your crayon stays within the line. Okay, next. Day 2. So this is day 1. Day 2, God created the sky. Day 3. Day 3, God created the seas and the plants. There, that's day 1, 2, day 3. And then day 4, the sun, the moon, the stars, and other lights in the sky. Okay, that's day 4. On the 5th day, there were animals in the water and on air. Okay, last 2. Day 6, God created land animals and humans. Okay, so this is our day 6, land, animals, and humans. On the 7th day, God rested from all of His creation. Yan na. Complete na ang creation. Okay, there you have it. Now, syempre yung ating title page. We will color our title page. Now that we colored all of our drawings, it's time to put them together. So, gagamitin natin yung ating glue. Una muna yung ating title page. Next half. The second day. And before we stick the last part, we will put first our yarn. Okay, pero itong taas ay lagyan natin ng knot. If you don't know how to make a knot, ask an adult to help you do it. Over, under, in, side, and pull. Okay, so stick it there. Put a little glue. Then, didikit din natin yung last paper na ginawa natin. Tada! This one. Tada! So, what's inside? Days of Creation. So, little ones, you can create your own version of this project so that you can remember what God created on the 7 days of creation. We hope to see your work and see you all again next time for another fun activity in Activity Nyo. Bye!
Dumalo ang SEBSI representative sa First National Research Forum on Filipino Children's Media Engagement. Ito ay ginanap sa Communication Foundation for Asia sa Santa Mesa, Manila. Sa forum ay pinag-usapan ang mga ongoing researches tungkol sa paggamit ng mga magulang at mga kabataan ngayon ng social media. Binanggit din ang mga benefits sa paggamit ng internet at social media. Gayon din ang mga hindi magandang dulot ng sobrang paggamit nito.
Let me just give you some psychological
Patuloy ang paghikayat ng National Council for Children's Television o NCCT sa mga magulang na gabayan ang kanilang mga anak sa kanilang mga pinapanood at sa mga network producers na bumuo ng mga programang pambata at mga child-friendly programs sa TV man o sa social media. Ang SEBC ay kaisa ng layuning ito kaya patuloy ang pagpoproduce ng mga programang pambata at mga programa na hindi man pambata ay maaari pa rin panoorin ng mga little ones dahil ito ay safe, child-friendly at puno ng Christian values. Para po sa LJP News, ako po si Jayden Dominic J. Anunsacion.
Little ones, I'm gonna color this clownfish. Watch it appears on the screen. Look, little ones, that's our fish. I named it Zia and LJP. Look, little ones, they're turtles. Little ones, me and Timmy are riding by a train. Have you ridden in a train before? Little ones, it was so fun, but it was also so tiring. We had an amazing day today, little ones. We saw different light shows and 3D attractions. I hope you could join us next time to learn new discoveries. Bye, little ones! Bye!
What do you win in a space sound competition? A constellation prize.
How do astronauts serve dinner? On flying saucers!
For this week's palaro, we will test our playmates' knowledge on our solar system. Each team will be given a picture of all the planets in our solar system. Their task is to place the planets in the correct order. The first team to place the planets in the correct order wins. Playmates, are you ready? Let the games begin.
Go, go, go! And the winners are Salmon Bird!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday!
Our journey through God's universe has been amazing. Remember, every star, planet, and comet is a part of His wonderful creations.
God can do anything, so always trust in Him. He is almighty, so never waver in your confidence in our almighty God.
Keep exploring and discovering the wonders of the universe. Continue to learn, have fun, enjoy, and discover God's creations only here on Little Ones Playlist!